Good day, guys. Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we are going to be doing a 1-month review of the Lithium Auto Elixirs Trim Serum, the Gloss Sauce, and the Seal and Squeal. All that stuff we have done on the old Chevy pickup. If you guys have seen those videos, thank you very much for checking those out. So today, I'm just going to walk around, show you the pickup, what it looks like. It's been a month since we have applied all of those products. The Trim Serum, I know a lot of you have been wanting to see that. Thank you so much for commenting in the Trim Serum video saying we want to see updates. So I'm bringing you an update video. I'm just going to kind of wrap all of those products into this one video, but the Trim Serum, I'm definitely going to be showing quite a bit of that in this video because I know there was a lot of interest in that. So thank you so much once again for recommending and suggesting a video that you want to see. So like I said, we're just going to walk around the pickup. I'm going to show it to you. I'm actually going to wash it because it is a bit dirty. It's nothing crazy. I do want to get it washed up. Try to keep it looking as best as possible. And we will also look and see the hydrophobic properties on the Trim Serum, on the plastic, if it's beating the water, because we didn't see that before. And then also we'll check out the beading and stuff on the paint to see how that paint protection products are holding up on the paint as well. Once I get it all washed up, I'll come back in, I'll rinse everything down, and then we'll come in and spray some water to see like beading, see how that stuff's looking and all of that at that point to see if maybe it took a little bit of a hit from any of that, which it totally should not. Just kind of something I'm curious in as well. Then I will dry it all up and we'll do an overview to see it. So it's going to be kind of a shorter video, hopefully. Hopefully I don't stretch this on too long because I know sometimes these longer videos can kind of be not a whole lot of fun to watch if it's just a bunch of rambling, so I'm trying to keep the rambling to a minimum. So let's go ahead and head out there right now, check it all out. The paint, we know what that's going to look like with the protectant on it. The paint still looks really, really good. We're going to check out the plastics and the rubber to see how that's looking with the Trim Serum on it, and then I'm going to get it all washed up. We'll check all of it out, as I mentioned, get it dried up. We'll see what the final results look like and see how that Trim Serum is holding up on the plastics because those plastics were neglected pretty bad. But let's get out there and check this thing out. So we're in a bit of a tight space with the two pickups here, but this front bottom valance, we put the Trim Serum on. The tires are still looking really, really good. Like I said, it's just a few days over a month, but the tires are looking really good. Personally, I think with that Trim Serum on there, it's kept in black, not too shiny, looks really, really good. All the tires do look like that. And then coming around to the back bumper, as you can see, it is still nice and dark. Nice satin finish. It is not wearing off. We'll kind of go across it so we can kind of see here. So the back bumper, that is still holding up really, really good. So I am very impressed with the longevity of this stuff and what it is doing. Here's the tire on the other side on the back here. The tires still look really, really good with that Trim Serum on them. You can still see that there is some dirt on the tires, but they look really good and it's held up extremely well. Let me get this thing washed up. We'll see what this stuff looks like, how it looks once it's washed up, but I assume that it's still going to be holding in there and looking just as good. And as you can see, here's the paint. Paint's still really, really nice. And if we come in close, yes, the paint is dirty. Like I said, nothing crazy, but the paint is still holding up, looking really good. The pickup's looking great. And I just wanted to bring this review on the Lithium Auto Elixirs products. So I just want to come in and show spraying some water on the tire with my pressure washer. It's kind of interesting. It beads up very well, which of course it should. But the tire still, it kind of makes it a little bit darker looking once you get this dirt off. So I'm just going to do that on the tire and the back bumper real quick so we can see what this looks like. Basically what this is proving is that it is still definitely on the tire. The Lithium Auto Elixirs Trim Serum, it's still doing its job. It's holding in there very tough, very strong, looking really, really good. I am impressed with that. I do like seeing that after a month worth of driving. It really hasn't wore down that much. So that is definitely a good tire or rubber dressing, holding in there that long. But let's see how it does on the black plastic. So as you can see, it is still holding in on the plastic very, very well. It's looking really, really good. It's holding in, and it's doing a great job. I'm really impressed with this trim serum on the rubber and the plastic, but let me go ahead and get this thing washed down. I don't think I'm going to need to come in and show what it looks like when I rinse it all down, so I'm going to go ahead and get it all washed up, get it dried. We'll come back in and see how the tires look and how the plastic on the back bumper and that front valance looks, but I think it's going to look just as good as it does right now. So as I'm rinsing it down, you can see there's some water on it. This is my bad. I forgot to show how the Seal and Squeal and gloss sauce is holding up on the paint. I'm very impressed with what I've seen. I want to go ahead and show you guys. So let's go ahead and hit it with the pressure washer. So as you can see, it's just a very nice sheeting product, depending on the contact angle of the water, but it is all sheeting off. But as I was saying, the contact angle of the water as it's hitting it, as you can see over here, you will get beading out of it. When you have that direct contact, you're just going to get really nice sheeting with a little bit of water spots left behind, really nothing major. It sheets really nice. It's holding up extremely well in the paint. I am really happy with how it's holding up on the paint. Doing a great job. So let me go ahead, finish this thing up, bring you back in once we get it all washed up and dried off. Okay, I've got it all washed up, dried. This trim serum on the tires, I just blew them off with some air. It is looking so nice, looking really good, holding in there very strong. I just used the same soapy water on the rubber that I did on the paint. I'm just using Adams Polishes car shampoo for the tires and the wheels. The light soiling that was on the rubber just blew off with the pressure washer because this trim serum has definitely got that tire sealed up really nice. We'll just do a quick walk around. You can see that paint, the reflection in it is still outstanding. And once again, another tire. I'll get to the other side where I can show you a little bit better. Something a lot of you can really see and tell is this back bumper right here. It looks really good. The trim serum has definitely made it look nice and new and black, still holding in there over a month later. What more can you ask? Here is the tire on the back passenger side. Still has that nice light sheen to it. We'll back up because we actually can on this side. As you can see, the tire and the whole pickup for that matter looks really good. Once again, thanks to Lithium Auto Elixirs for making this pickup look so nice, sending those products out for me to test and review. I am super impressed with how great they're holding up, how great it's made the paint look, made the rubber look, the plastic. It all looks so nice. So like I said, huge shout out to Lithium Auto Elixirs for sending me those products to review. It has made that pickup look so good when we used them the first time. So we are actually a month and 4 days in on the products being on the pickup. The trim serum, the Seal and Squeal, and the gloss sauce. These products made the pickup look amazing, as you've seen if you've watched the videos on it, and are holding in there really good. Honestly, the trim serum has my mind blown right now. That is by far the best product I have used on plastics or rubber for longevity and how it makes it look. Revives that plastic, revives that rubber, makes it look new again. That stuff works really good, and it's holding in there a month and 4 days in. I have not reapplied it. I'm not going to. So, once again, if you want me to keep doing a quick video like this, showing how long that trim serum is hanging in there, throw it in the comments down below. I listen to you guys. I take all of your comments, everything you'd like to see. I take that in, and I want to produce content that you guys want to see, as I've mentioned numerous times before, but your guys' support means the world to me. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, seeing how good Lithium Auto Elixirs products are holding in there on the pickup. Trim serum, absolutely mind-blowing on it. I have not used a product on plastic or rubber that has lasted that long without starting to fade or show signs of wear. That stuff is not. The tires look like I just put dressing on them, and I haven't. And the plastic looks like I just applied that stuff on it, which has been a little over a month ago, and I did not just reapply it, and I'm not going to, because I want to see how long this stuff's going to go, at least for me personally. But like I said, if that's something you want to see, definitely let me know. But like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I like seeing the updates on these products. Definitely head over, check out Lithium Auto Elixirs. I'll throw some links in my video description down below so you can get to their website. I think they have an Amazon store too. If there is, I'll throw that in there as well so you can pick up some of these products if it's something you want to use. Highly recommend all the products, and especially that Trim Serum. That Trim Serum is really, really good. It's honestly got my mind blown right now. I'm geeked out over it. It's crazy how long it's held in and it's done that good because it is not a plastic dye. It is literally a dressing, and it is working basically like a dye, and it's holding in there really, really well. But thank you all so much for stopping and checking out this video. I greatly appreciate it. All your support's greatly appreciated. Remember to smash that thumbs up. Helps the video. Share it with a friend. Share it on another platform. Subscribe to the channel if you have not. Also, click that bell. Turn on all post notifications so you can stay up to date with all of my future videos. And all that support is greatly appreciated. You guys are absolutely amazing. But I will catch you all in the next one. And until then, take care.